ಹಾ, ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮ್ಯೂಟ್. Hello, good evening, dear students. How are you? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಊಟ ಆಗಿದೆನಾ ಎಲ್ರದ್ದು? Yes. Okay. Myself, Bhagyashree Joshi. I have 7 years experience in teaching. Okay. Now, let us start the today's session. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? So let's see. Today we will discuss the topic that is polynomial. Yes, which topic we are going to discuss? That is polynomial. I think some of you know what do you mean by polynomials, and ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Yes. ಎಲ್ರದ್ದು ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಟೀ ಕುಡಿದ್ರಾ? Okay. Now I will write some examples. So ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನೀಗ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಸೊ ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. Yes, 8, 10, 2x, okay, 5x square, 3x minus 9x. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್? ಎಸ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಯು ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು? ಎಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸಿ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ 8, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ 10, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ 2x, 5x, 3x minus 9x ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಮೈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ 8 ಆಸ್? 8 ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? 10 ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಎಸ್, ಎನಿಬಡಿ? ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಎಸ್, 8 ಅನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ? 2x, 2x, 5x, x square, 3x minus 9x. Okay, so 8 we call it as a number, right? 10 is a number, 2 is a number, 5 is a number, 3 is a number, and 9 is a number. Okay, so my question is, ಈ 8 ಅನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ದಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್, ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್, ಎಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸಿ 2x, 2 is a constant, right? X is called as, x anna ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ? This is a constant and x is called as, yes dear students, x is called as, yes, x is called as variable. Yes, very good. It is called as variable. Yes, dear students, number is called as a constant and this variable, this x is called as a variable. Okay, so why this 8 is called as constant? Why the numbers are called as constant? So my question is, correct. So give me the example for constant anta nan kelidre, what you will give? Ma'am, 2, 3, 5, 100, 10, 100, 1000, so many examples you will give. These are the constant. Okay, for variables, give me the examples for variables. That is x, y, z, a, b, anything you can give. So it is in the form of letters, right? So my question is, why you call these numbers are constant? Constant anta ಯಾಕೆ ಕರಿತೀರಾ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ? Yes, Dear students, yes, ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಬೇರೆ ನೇಮ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾಕೆ ಕರೆಯಲ್ಲ? Why it is a constant? Because it is a fixed ಇದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾಕೆ? ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 10 rupees ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. 10 rupees. So in Bangalore also it is 10 rupees. In Mysore it is 10 rupees. In Calcutta it is 10 rupees. In Hyderabad it is 10 rupees. ನೀವ್ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋದ್ರು, ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 10 rupees. ಧಾರವಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರು ಕೂಡ 10 rupees ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ನೋ, ಇಟ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರು ಕೂಡ it remains fixed, it remains same, it remains constant. Therefore it is called as constant. Constant means what? Fixed value. Fixed value. So fixed value is called as a constant. Yes, it is clear. Then what do you mean by variable? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ, miss 2x ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So 2 is a constant, x is called as a variable. What do you mean by variable? Yes, dear students, what do you mean by variable? Yes, anybody? What do you mean by variable? Miss, constant is fixed, variable is changing, varying. Okay, change ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is called as variable, varying, changing, right? So why it is called as variable? Yes, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಏನಂತ? Miss, it is varying, therefore it is called as a variable. Yes, I agree. But why it is called as variable only? ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು x, y, z, a, b, c ಅನ್ನ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಬೇರೆ ನೇಮ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾಕೆ ಕರೆಯಲ್ಲ? So why it is called as variables only? Yes, anybody? Yes. Means it is here value is not fixed. Not fixed means what? See, for example, if I take x minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, x plus 5 is equal to 9. X minus 3 is equal to 7. Now tell me the value of x here. In this case, value of x ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? So dear students, x minus 1 is equal to 3. Then tell me the value of x here. So how you are going to find out the value of x? That is x is equal to 3. Transfer this minus 1 to this side. It will become plus 1. So 3 plus 1, it is 4. Right? Yes or no? Yes. Yes, ma'am, it is 4. X plus 5 is equal to 9. In this case, what is the value of x? Transfer this plus 5 to this side, it will become 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is? It is 4. Howda? Next, x minus 3 is equal to 7. So transfer minus 3 to this side, it will become x is equal to 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is a 10. So I wrote 3 examples here. Observe carefully. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು x value ಅನ್ನು observe ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, observe the value of x. Here it is 4, here it is 4, here it is 10. Okay, I will take another example. That is x minus 5 is equal to 10. Transfer this minus 5 to this side, it will become x is equal to 10 plus 5. It is 10 plus 5 is 15. Therefore, x value is 15 here. Observe carefully. Is it same in all the cases? Is the value of x is same in all the cases? Yes. Yes. Same idena? Yes, dear students. Is it same in all the cases? No, it is changing. Here it is 4. Yes, in first case and in second case it is 4. But in third case it is 10. In fourth case it is 15. Like this you will go on substituting, or ಇದೇ ತರಹ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ x value is continuously goes on changing. Therefore, it is not fixed. not fixed. Therefore, we call this as a variable. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? This is not fixed, right? Therefore, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, L, L, M, N, anything you can take, that is variable. And the variable value is changing depending upon the situation, depending upon the problem, and depending upon the formula. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. therefore it is not fixed, it is variable. yes yes which ಯಾವ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಟರ್ಮ್. yes dear students, what do you mean by term? do you know what do you mean by term? yes anybody? ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಎಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ 1 minute. ಓಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ. ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಟರ್ಮ್? ಎಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸಿ if I write 3x 8x square 9x okay minus 7x okay 3x plus 1. So these all are the terms. Yes or no? So ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, these all are the terms. Then ನಾನೀಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, you tell me the statement of the term. What do you mean by term? So ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 3x 8x square 9x minus 7x 3x plus 1 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ these are the examples for terms. Yes, then what do you mean by term? Yes, by looking this example you can conclude the statement. That is, what do you mean by term? Term is a combination of constant and variable. Here it is a combination of constant and variable. If we write constant and variable together, this is called as a term. So in the term it contains 1 or 2 3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು, and it contains basic mathematical operations. That is, it is the non-zero part of the algebraic expression separated by plus or minus or negative or division. These are the basic mathematical operations. Okay, term means what? It is the combination of constant and variable. So 1 idre simply we write 3x, 2 idre 2x plus 1. So here we are using one of the mathematical operations, that is plus. ಅದೇ ತರಹ 3x square plus 2x minus 1 ಈ ತರನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು. This is also the example for terms. Yes or no? Okay, now how many terms are there? Yes, okay, how many terms are there? See, 3x is a one term. It is the combination of one constant and one variable. This is, it contains one term, right? So 2x plus 1, how many terms are there here? Yes, 2 terms. Next, 3x square plus 2x minus 1, how many terms are there? 3 terms. Okay, so based on the terms, we are going to divide the polynomial. Sorry, we are going to divide the term into 1 term, 2 term, 3 terms ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, now so next ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, that is algebraic expression. So first ಇದನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ನಾವು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Algebraic expression. Yes, dear students, what do you mean by algebraic expressions? Algebraic expression. Okay, algebraic expression. What do you mean by algebraic expression? Quick, fast ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. Algebraic expression ಅಂದ್ರೆ yes, algebraic expression. Okay. Here I am writing 3x plus 7, 2x plus 5. Okay. 3x square plus 5x plus 3. Okay. 9x square plus 7x minus 5. Okay. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 4 examples ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Another example I will write. That is minus 9 divided by 2x square plus 3x raised to minus 1 plus 2. Okay. Next. Only 2. Okay. Observe carefully. In this example, how many terms are there? 2 terms are there. So 1 and 2. This is a operation. Plus. Here, again 2 terms are there. Right? 2x plus 5. In this case, 3 terms are there. 3x square plus 5x plus 3. And these terms are separated by plus sign. Right? So, in this case, again 3 terms are there. In this case, 3 terms are there. So, ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Here, 1 term. Okay. Yes. So, now by looking this example, you tell me the statement of the algebraic expression. ನಾನೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ? ನಾನು example ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು statement ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Right? So, ನಾನೀಗ example ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. You people tell me, what do you mean by algebraic expression? Yes. So, ನಾನೀಗ example ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, 2 terms are there, separated by the operations. Then what do you mean by algebraic expression? Yes. What do you mean by algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is the combination of terms. Again, it is term only. Combination of the terms separated by the basic mathematical operations. Okay. Next. Now, observe one thing. 9x square, 7x. Power of x. ಏನಂತ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Power of x is 2. In this case, 7x. Power of x is 1. Okay. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. Okay. Observe this example. 8x square plus 1. 8 is a coefficient or it is a constant. If you write constant together with a variable, it is called as coefficient. This is a coefficient and this is a variable. Okay. And this 2x square 2 is called as exponent. Okay. And this is an operator and this is a constant term. Okay. This is the example of algebraic expression. Right. 8x square plus 1. This is the example. 9x cube plus 2x minus 1. 4x raised to 4 minus 5x cube plus 3x square minus 1. Okay. So, observe carefully. I am writing some examples here. 3x plus 2. Okay. Next. 2. Only 2 I am writing. Observe the exponents. Here 2 is there. Here 3 is there. X raised to nothing is there means 1. Right? Illi. X raised to 4. X raised to 3. So it is 3. It is 2. Next. It is 3x. X raised to 1. Nothing is there means 1. 2. 2. 2 I can write it as 2 ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Is it right or wrong? Yes, tell me 2 is a term. Is it a term? Just think, is it a term? Yes, it is a term. Why? Because ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? 2 into x raised to 0 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. X raised to 0 means this value is 1. Therefore, 2 into 1 is 2 only. So 2 I can write it as 2 into x raised to 0. X raised to 0, exponent is 0. 2 x raised to 0 means it is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. Therefore, it is a term because it is a combination of constant and variable. Again, it is a term. Next, 3x cube plus 2x raised to minus 2 plus 1. Okay. Next, 7 divided by 2, x raised to 4 plus 9x raised to minus 3 plus x plus 1. So, in this example, tell me the power of x. Yes, dear students, tell me the power of x. That is 3. Here, that is minus 2. Okay. In this case, 4 minus 3. It is nothing is there means 1. Right? Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಬಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನಂತ, ಮಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಸೊ ಎ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? ಮಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? So just think b value is there. Only x means divided by 1. Enu illa andre 1 iratte. Nothing is there means divided by 1 iratte. Okay. Now, tell me the sign of x. Andre idu yava ondu sign anna hondide. Whether it is a positive or negative. Yes, dear students, tell me whether it is a positive or negative. Yes. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ವಿಚ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್? ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. What is the value of b? It is 1. Nothing is there means 1. X into 1, x only. X. Yes. Now, tell me the a raised to n anta nan baradre. A raised to n anta baradre. Consider a is equal to x. Okay. Now, tell me the value of n. So, nothing. Okay, only x they have given. Tell me the value of n. N means exponent. Yes, exponent. Nothing is there means 1. Nothing is there means 1. So always remember, nothing is there means it has plus sign. Nothing is there means divisible by 1. Nothing is there means exponent is 1. So if I write only x anta ashte baritivi yake, so it is understood. It has 1. Yes. Okay. Now, in this case, observe the powers carefully. Here it is 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. But in this example, it has x power minus 3. That is negative sign it has. Next, it has negative sign minus 2. In this example, it has positive sign, means positive powers. Variable power is a positive numbers. But these examples, variable power is negative. So, algebraic expressions contain positive and negative variable powers. Remember. Okay. Now, my question is, so observe carefully. Nan en helide? Nan repeat madalla. One sarti correct agi kelkodre. So, in algebraic expressions, variable power is positive nu barbohudu, negative nu barbohudu. But if I write 2x plus 1, 3x square plus 5x plus 2, okay, or 8x raised to 4 plus x plus 1, okay, next 9x plus 0. Now, in all these examples, variable power is 1, okay, 2, 1, 4, 1 means variable power is positive here. In all the cases, variable power is positive. If the variable power is positive, what we call? It is the polynomial. Yenanta karitivi? Polynomial. This is our today's chapter, that is polynomial. Right? Okay. Now, then what do you mean by definition of polynomial? An expression that can have a constant, variable, an expression that can have a constants, variable, and exponents. But there are some conditions. No division by a variable can't have something like an expression that can have constant variables and exponent, but no division by a variable means can't have something like 2 divided by x. 2 divided by x. It is not a polynomial. Why? Because ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It becomes x raised to minus 1. Power is minus 1. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Next, variables exponents can have only be 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Exponents can't be fractions or negative. In case of polynomials, exponents can't be positive. Exponents can't be a fraction, means 2 by 3, 1 by 2. ಈ ತರ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. Exponents can't be a fractions or negative, minus 2, minus 3. So ಈ ತರ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. Okay. It can't have an infinite number of terms. Okay. Now tell me, what do you mean by polynomial? These are the conditions. Okay. What do you mean by polynomial? Polynomial is a special algebraic expression with the variable power is a whole number. This is the statement. Variable power is a whole number. What do you mean by whole number? Yes, dear students, already you know the types of numbers. That is natural numbers, whole numbers. Yes, natural numbers 1, 2, 3. It starts from 1. Whole numbers, natural numbers including 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are whole numbers, right? Next, integers. minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. These are the integers. Okay. Next, the numbers are in the form of p by q. P by q, then it is called as rational numbers. 2 by 3, 1 by 2. So, like these numbers are called as rational numbers. Irrational numbers, root 2, root 5, these are the irrational numbers. So, namagen beku, what we want is only whole numbers. Whole numbers means what? The natural numbers along with 0. And these all are the positive numbers. Negative numbers are not there in the whole numbers. Only positive numbers are there. Illi ನಾವು ಕೇವಲ positive numbers ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. Negative numbers are not there and fractions are not there. Okay. Next, decimals are not there and quotient, rational numbers are not there. So, whole numbers are only positive numbers and along with 0. Yes. Then what do you mean by polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression, special algebraic expression, and it is a special algebraic expression whose variable power is a whole number. Then it is called as polynomial. Yes, understood? Okay. Now, the general form of polynomial. Okay. P of x. P of x is equal to an x raised to n plus an minus x raised to n minus 1 plus a1x plus a0. Okay. See, if I write x raised to 4 plus 3x, it is 5x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1. It is an. It is a x raised to n. It is an minus 1 means it is next term. An minus 1 means next term. X raised to n minus 1. N is 4 here. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2. N minus 2. That is 2. N minus 3. That is 1. Last term is constant. That is denoted by a0. Okay. This is the general form of polynomial. Okay. Understood? Have you understood? Okay. Okay. Now polynomials, yes. Depending upon the terms, polynomials are divided into monomial, binomial, trinomial. Okay. So, monomial means what? It contains only one term. 2x, 3x, 4x. Only one term. Yes. These are the monomials. So, mathematicians ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಒನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೋನೋಮಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋನೋಮಿಯಲ್, ಬೈನೋಮಿಯಲ್, ಟ್ರೈನೋಮಿಯಲ್, ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದ ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಟೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, what will happen? If the polynomial contains two terms, that is 2x minus 5u, 5uy minus 3, 5uz minus 4. These are the two terms. Okay, this is called as binomial. If the polynomial contains two terms, then it is called as binomial. Then what do you mean by trinomial? Trinomial means what? Tri means three, right? Trinomial. The polynomial contains three terms, then it is called as trinomial. For example, x cube plus x square. Okay, no, x square plus x plus 1. X square plus 3x minus 7. This is the trinomial. It contains three terms. Next, quadrinomial. Quadrinomial means what? Four terms. Y square plus 3x minus 7x plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the combination of four terms. It is called as quadrinomial. 2 by 3, x raised to x raised to 3. 2x square plus 5x minus 7. This is a quadrinomial. It contains four terms, right? Okay. Yes. Next. Means, is it clear? Depending upon the terms, polynomials are divided into monomial, binomial, trinomial, and quadrinomial. Is that clear? Okay. We'll move to next concept. That is degree of the polynomial. Yes, dear students, do you know what do you mean by degree of the polynomial? Yes, just recall your memory. What do you mean by degree of the polynomial? Yes, degree of the polynomial. Anybody? Degree of the polynomial. Yes. Somebody is commenting. Explain three terms once again. Okay. If the polynomial contains three terms, see, it is one term. This is two terms. This is three terms. It is the combination of three terms, right? Therefore, it is called as trinomial. Only three terms ಇದೆ. Therefore, it is called as trinomial. Now, degree of the polynomial. Yes. What do you mean by degree of the polynomial? 2x square plus x plus 1. 3x plus 5u. 8x cube plus 5x square minus 9x plus 1. Okay. 8x plus 9 by 2. Okay. Next. Only 3. What do you mean by degree of the polynomial? Yes. First observe the examples. Then we'll conclude the statement. 2x square. Observe the power of the variable. It is 2. It is 1. It is x raised to, nothing is there means 1. X raised to 1. 3x. 3x andre exponent is 1. 8x cube. 8x cube. So power is 3 here. 5x square. Power is 2. 9x. It is 1. Okay. So 8x, it is 1. Okay. Now tell me the degree of the polynomial. Yes. Yes, very good. Highest power of the polynomial, highest power of the variable in the polynomial is called as degree of the polynomial. Yes, polynomial ಅಲ್ಲಿ highest degree ಯಾವ್ದಿರತ್ತೆ variable, that is called as degree of the polynomial. In this example, what is the degree of the polynomial? Yes, it is 2, right? In this example, because x square x, 2 is greater than 1. Therefore, maximum power is 2. Highest degree is 2. Therefore, degree is 2 here. Right? So, degree is 2. In this case, 3x. 3x means x raised to 1. Maximum degree ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Highest degree ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? It is 1. Therefore, 1 degree is 1 here. In this case, observe carefully. 3, 2, 1. Yes, highest degree is 3. Right? Okay. Therefore, degree of the polynomial is 3 here. 8x. 8x raised to 1. Maximum power ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? That is 1. Therefore, degree is 1. Okay. 3. Tell me the power, degree of this polynomial. 3. Yes. Only 3 is there. So, alli variable illa. There is no variable. Then how can I find out the degree of the polynomial? Yes, only 3 is there, means 3 into x raised to 0. Right? X raised to 0 means again it is 1. 3 into 1, therefore it is 3. Highest degree is 0 here. Therefore degree is 0. Understood? Okay? Yes. So depending upon the degree of the polynomial, polynomials can be divided into many types. That is, if a polynomial of degree 1, if a polynomial has degree 1, then it is called as linear polynomial. Okay? ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? Linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called as quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3, it is called as cubic polynomial. Yes. For example, give me examples. Okay. Dear students, give me the example for linear polynomial. Yes. Linear polynomial. Example I am asking. Okay. Okay. 7x plus 5. 7x plus 5. 8x minus 3. 2x. Okay. Here, degree is 1. Degree is 1. If the variable power is 1, then it is called as linear polynomial. Degree of the polynomial is 1 because the highest power is 1. Highest power ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 ಇದೆ. Therefore, degree of the polynomial is 1. 8x minus 3. Here, degree of the polynomial is 1. Why? Because maximum power is 1. Therefore, degree is 1. In this case also 2x. 2x means x raised to 1. Maximum degree is 1. Therefore, degree is 1. If the polynomial of degree 1 is called as linear polynomial. What it is called as? Linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called as. So, for example, x square plus 3x plus 5. 7 divided by 2, x square plus 9x minus 3. Okay. In this case, highest power x raised to 2. It is x raised to 1. X raised to 2. X raised to 1. So, in this example, tell me the degree of the polynomial. Yes, highest degree ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? That is 2. Right? In this example, highest degree is 2, right? So ಇದು 1 ಇದೆ, ಇದು 2 ಇದೆ. 2 is greater than 1. Therefore, degree is 2. If the polynomial of degree 2 is called as quadratic polynomial, yes or no? It is quadratic polynomial. Next, x cube plus 3x square plus 5x minus 9. Next, 7x cube plus 5x raised to 5x square minus 3x plus 2. So in these examples, tell me the degree of the polynomial. So first tell me whether it is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. Why? Because power is 3, 2, 1. These are whole numbers, positive numbers. Illi namage negative numbers illa. So it is a positive. Positive numbers means it is a polynomial. These numbers comes under the whole numbers. Therefore, it is a polynomial. Tell me the degree of this polynomial. Yes, highest degree is 3 here. Therefore, degree of the polynomial is 3. In this case, the degree of the polynomial is again 3. So, if a polynomial of degree 3 is called as cubic polynomial, polynomial degree 3 idre, that polynomial we call it as a cubic polynomial. So remember, if the degree is 1, then it is a linear polynomial. If degree is 2, then it is a quadratic polynomial. If degree is 3, then it is a cubic polynomial. Understood? Okay. Now, another one polynomial is that is constant polynomial. Constant polynomial, or you can say it as non-zero polynomial. Yes, dear students, what do you mean by non-zero polynomial or constant polynomial? Yes, first, non-zero polynomial. Yes, so when I will give you 1 minute. Okay, non-zero polynomial. See, if I write 2, 3, minus 5, minus 9, okay? Tell me the degree of this number. Tell me the degree of this polynomial, not a number, polynomial. Yes, degree of the polynomial. Yes, miss, we are not observing any variable here. Then heng helbodu now degree of the polynomial anna. Only 2 is there. So tell me the degree of the polynomial 2. Yes, fast. Yes, 2 can be written as. So again I am telling, hinde kuda helidini, again I am telling 2 into x raised to 0. X raised to 0 means what? 2 into 1, that is 2 only. 3 into x raised to 0. So I can write 3 as 3 into x raised to 0. Exponent is 0, that means x raised to 0 is 1. 3 into 1, that is 3. Right? So minus 5 into x raised to 0, that is minus 5 into 1, that is minus 5 only. So now tell me the degree of the polynomial. Variable power is 0 here. Yes or no? 0. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 0. Okay? Degree of the polynomial is 0. Next comes another one polynomial is that is zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. Yes, dear students, tell me the zero polynomial. What do you mean by zero polynomial? See, 0. Yes, 0. Zero polynomial means what? I wrote 0. Tell me the degree of this polynomial. Yes, 0 is also a polynomial. Why? Because whole number, positive numbers. Okay, so 0. Tell me the degree of the polynomial 0. Yes, fast. Yes, zero polynomial. I will write here, zero polynomial. Okay. It is 0. So degree of the polynomial. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? Some students are saying x raised to 0. Okay. 0 into x raised to 0. X raised to 0 means 0 into 1. So if you multiply any number with 0, it is 0 only. Right? Yes or no? Okay. So some students are saying, no ma'am, it is 1. Degree is 1. So that also will check. 0 into x raised to 1. X raised to 1 means what? 0 into x. X raised to 1 means x only. Again, x into 0, it is 0 only. So some students are saying, no ma'am, degree is 2. So x raised to 2. 0 into x raised to 2. Again, you are multiplying x square with 0 only. Therefore, 0 into x square. Again, it is 0. Therefore, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆನಾ? Yes. Are you seeing a fixed degree here? No. Therefore, it is not defined. It is called as not defined. ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? Not defined. If the polynomial is a zero polynomial, then degree of that polynomial is not defined. ಯಾಕೆ? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇದೇ ತರಹ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್, so when you take any number, that number is multiplied with 0, it will come 0 only. Therefore, degree I can't find. So na degree ide anta fix agi helok agalla. Therefore, not defined. What it is called as not defined. Okay. Is it clear? So degree of the polynomial means what? Highest degree of the polynomial. Types of polynomials. If the degree is 1, linear polynomial, degree is 2, quadratic, degree is 3, cubic and constant polynomial, degree is 0. 0 polynomial, degree not defined. Understood? Yes? Okay, we'll move to next concept. Yes, dear students, one more thing I want to tell you, that if the degree is 3, then it is called as cubic polynomial. So in your syllabus, up to cubic polynomial is there. So innu extra helbekandre, if the degree is 4, then it is called as biquadratic polynomial, or you can say it as quartic polynomial. So quartic anta karitare. If the degree is 4, it is called as quartic. Remember, if the degree is 5, then it is called as quintic. Remember, quintic. 1 linear, 2 quadratic, 3 cubic, 4 biquadratic or quartic. 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 If the degree is 5, it is quintic. Just for your knowledge. Okay. Graphs of the polynomial function. It is also not there in your syllabus. Just for extra knowledge, I am adding. Okay. ಏನಂತ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದ ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 0, ದೆನ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇಫ್ ದ ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್, ಇಫ್ ದ polynomial is linear, then the graph will be straight line. So it will be like this or like this, straight line, always straight line. If the polynomial is quadratic, okay, degree is 2, then graph will be U shape. U shape is called as parabola. Okay. It may be like this, or like this, or like this. U shape. Okay. Next, cubic. Cubic is like this. Quartic. Quartic is degree is for quartic. It is like this. Quintic. Quintic means degree is 5. Then graph will be like this. Okay, just for your extra information. Okay, understood? Yes. Now just recall once again. Types of polynomial: zero polynomial. Examples are 2, 3, 5. Linear, x plus 2, y plus 3, 3u plus 4. Quadratic, 2x square, because highest degree is 2. Cubic, x cube, 8x cube, highest degree is 3. Therefore, it is called as cubic polynomial. Yes, miss. 8x cube. Only one term is there. So how can I call this as a polynomial? So 8x cube anta ide. Polynomial, it is a combination of terms iratte. Variable power is a whole number. Yes. Only 8x cube. Is it a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. And degree is 3. So if I write this polynomial as 0 into x square, 0 into x raised to 1 plus 0. Does it make any difference to the polynomial? ಈ ತರ ನಾನು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? No, again it will be 8x cube only, right? Yes. Next, one more thing I want to tell you. The standard forms, okay? Standard forms. Standard forms. Yes. Standard forms of linear equation. Okay. We'll discuss about the linear polynomial. Sorry, not equation. It is a polynomial. Do you know what is the standard form of linear polynomial? Or you can say it is a general form. Yes. See, 2x plus 5, 3x plus 7. So it is a linear polynomial because highest degree is 1. If I write 2 as a x plus 5u, 3 as a x plus 7 as b. Okay, 5 as b. Means constant terms I am writing a and b along with x. So what is the general form of linear polynomial then? Ax plus b. Remember, linear polynomial, standard form of linear polynomial, or you can say it as a general form of linear polynomial, that is ax plus b. Okay, next, quadratic polynomial. So quadratic means degrees 2, right? Quadratic polynomial. Yes, 3x square plus 5x plus 9. One example. Another example I will consider. 5x square plus 9x minus 3. Okay. So now write down x square as it is. Okay. X square as it is. X square anna ade taraha bareri. Next, I will write 3, 5, 9. Okay, means constant terms as A, B, C. ಏನಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ? A, B, C. A, B, this is C. This is A, B, minus C. Okay. Okay. So, 3x square plus 5x plus 9 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. This is the one of the example for quadratic polynomial. Why? Because it has degree 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic polynomial. Okay. 3x square 5x plus 9. 5x square plus 9x minus 3. So, any examples you can take. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ examples ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. Then, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ? So simple ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So some of students are not understanding. That is x square. Write x square as it is. ನಾನು x square place ಅಲ್ಲಿ x square ಅನ್ನ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So x as it is. x square x. Okay. x square x ಅನ್ನ ಬರದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಉಳಿಯತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Only constant terms are remaining, right? So 3, 5 and 9. So I call these constant terms as A, B, C ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. A ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3, B 5 ಅನ್ನ B ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ, 9 ಅನ್ನ C ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. 5 it is A, 9 it is B, 3 it is C. Okay. Yes. So therefore, general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square ax square plus bx plus c. Right? So, ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 2x plus 5u. So 2x plus 5u is 5 can be written as 2x plus 5u. So write x as it is. Call this 2 as a plus 5u as b. Then it will become ax plus b. Right? So minus 2x plus 5u. So write x as it is. So minus 2. You call this as a and this as b. Therefore ax plus b. Again it is ax plus b. Next 9 by 2 x plus 5u. Call this 9 by 2 as a. ax plus b. Therefore, in all the cases, it is ax plus b. It is the general form of linear polynomial because highest degree 1 is there. Therefore, it is a linear polynomial. Next comes quadratic polynomial. What do you mean by quadratic polynomial? Degree is 2, then it is called as quadratic polynomial, right? So, see here, I am considering these examples. That is 3x square plus 5x plus 9, right? Next, 5x square minus 7x minus 5. Okay, next. Now, write x square as it is, plus x as it is, plus 5 as x square as it is, plus x as it is. Okay, put plus. Okay, now I am considering this 3 as a, b, 5 as b, 9 as c. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ that numbers as a, b, c, right? Okay. Okay, next. In this case, 5 is a, consider 5 as a, and 7 as minus 7 as b, not only 7, minus 7 as b, and minus 5 as c. Therefore, general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. Remember. Okay, in case of cubic polynomial. So, cubic polynomial means what? It is having degree 3, right? Cubic polynomial. Five x cube plus 8x square minus 9x plus 3. Okay, one example. Consider another example. 2x cube plus 9x square minus 7 divided by 3x plus 1. So, in all the cases, degree, highest degree is 3. Therefore, it is a cubic polynomial. Now, I want to write the general form of cubic polynomial. That is, write x cube as it is plus x square plus x. Okay. Next, x cube anna ade taraha bariri. X square write as it is plus x as it is. Okay. ಮತ್ತೆ numbers ಏನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Okay. Consider numbers as A, B, C, D because 4 numbers are there. A, B, C, D. 5 as A, 8 as B, 9 minus 9. Consider minus 9 as C and 3 as D. Here, 2 anna A anta consider madana. 9, consider 9 as B, minus 7 by 3. It is C and 1 as D. So, in all the cases, general form, standard form is same. That is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Yes or no, dear students? Ax cube, therefore cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is the general form of cubic polynomial. Yes? Okay. So up to this, whatever we have discussed, yes, whatever we have discussed, that I will ask in tomorrow class. ನಾನೇನು ಏನೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನೇನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ? What we have discussed today, that is, first one is a term, types of term, algebraic expression, okay, polynomial, and types of polynomial based on the term, based on the degree, right? And based on the degree. One more thing I want to tell you, that see, algebraic expressions. Yes, I told you algebraic expression. One statement I want to tell you, that observe carefully. All algebraic expressions cannot be a polynomial, but all polynomials can be algebraic expressions. ಎಲ್ಲಾ algebraic expressions polynomial ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, but ಎಲ್ಲಾ polynomials can be algebraic expressions. So ಹೆಂಗೆ? Remember, all algebraic expressions. So these are the examples for polynomial. Is it only a polynomial? No, it is algebraic expressions also. But if I write, these are the examples for algebraic expression as well as polynomial. Therefore, polynomials can be algebraic expressions, but all algebraic expressions cannot be a polynomial. See, if I write 3x cube plus 2x raised to minus 2 plus 3x minus 4. Is it a polynomial? Yes, dear students, is it a polynomial? Just think, is it a polynomial? No, ma'am, it is not a polynomial. Why? Because here variable power is minus, so it will not come under the whole numbers. Whole numbers cannot be a negative. Only negative numbers iralla. Only positive numbers are there. Therefore, it is a algebraic expression, but it is not a polynomial. But 8x raised to 4 plus x, or you can consider 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 is a algebraic expression as well as polynomial. It is polynomial ide, algebraic expression ide. So all the polynomials can be algebraic expression, but all algebraic expressions cannot be polynomial. This is algebraic expression, but it is not a polynomial. Understood? Yes. So let us continue. Next concept in the tomorrow's class. Okay, so illivargu whatever we have discussed, so adana correct agi tomorrow nan ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Okay, yes, shall we stop today? Yes, so all the best, study well. Okay, thank you.